Making your own wearable electronics is a great way to create stunning outfits, cosplay, or runway-ready wearable art. Before getting started with your design, here are 3 important things to think about ahead of time that'll save you trouble and extra work down the road. Controller access. Depending on your design, you may have controllers, switches, or an on-off button. Consider who will be wearing the outfit. If it's something you plan on wearing yourself, make sure it's in an accessible area that you can access without being too awkward. Repairs. Even the most sophisticated technology can break down or have problems. When designing your wearable tech, consider how you will access the inner workings if anything goes wrong. Make sure you have a way to check and repair all electronic components and connection points without having to take the entire thing apart. Battery placement. Most likely, the largest and bulkiest part of your garment is going to be the battery. Design your outfit with battery placement in mind. For more tips on battery placement, watch my video on the topic here. Washing. Unlike most outfits, wearable tech garments can't easily be tossed in the washing machine. Wearables take time, money, and effort to create, so don't waste your efforts with a garment that's going to get smelly and unhygienic. The best way to make a garment washable is to design it with 2 layers, one layer that goes directly against the body, like a slip or lining, and a second layer that contains the technology. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to making your own fashion tech creations.
No, don't let 'em. So close, you're right on the